Homework problem number 4. Figure given, in the given figure, the 60-pound force is aligned with incline and force P is 60. And this is an equilibrium. All forces are pointing in one direction. There's going to be a resultant, a hidden resultant force in the opposite direction. Since you can't have three forces all pointing in one direction, goodness like that, something's got to give. So, we need to find what the value of A is if the required value of the resultant along all three forces is shown to be parallel with the incline. So, this is an equilibrium problem. We're going to have some of the forces in the x direction, and we're going to have some of the forces in the y direction. And the sum of the forces in the x direction are going to be sine, 120 sine A plus 60 cosine A plus 60 minus R equals 0, and the y direction is going to be 120 cosine A minus negative 120 cosine A plus 60 sine A. That should be it. So that equals 0. And what we'd have here is negative 1/2 negative 1/2 tangent A equals 0. (120 over 60). No. Okay. What I'm thinking here is to make this 60 sine A equals 120 cosine A, which is correct. But if you just divide these two, you're going to get sine over cosine, which is tangent. But it's going to be 60 over 120, which is 1/2. So it would be like what? 1/2 tan, right? The variable there. One half's in the wrong place. Apparently, eventually this take the inverse of this, and it's going to give you tan inverse of 1/2 is going to be equal to A. By golly, I don't agree. I don't get how it works. See if it does, though. Because it doesn't look like those outside things should just jump where A was. I might be missing something very crucial, some weird intermediate step, because it don't make sense to me. And in fact, it don't make sense. It's actually gonna be 2, right? Yeah. No joke. Keep, change, flip. It becomes tan 2 over 1. Then A becomes 63.43. So I want to know how those jump. How they jump into each other's arms like lovers that haven't seen each other. Let's see, how do I word that more poetically? Like long lost lovers. So now f of x is going to equal r on the other side. We know a. So 120 sine of 63 plus 60 cosine of 63 plus 60 equals r. I'm getting r is going to be 194.16. And we need to find. Oh, wait. Yeah. So it looks like that is the correct A. And that looks like it also is the correct R. I just don't understand this step here. Now, I say that, but really what the step intermediate is P sine A equals, and remember P equals 60, 120 cosine A, right? Which becomes sine A for cosine A equals 120 over P, which then this becomes tan inverse of 120 over 60, which is the same as 2 over 1. This don't make sense to me. That don't make sense to me, but this makes more sense to me because it's just straight division. Whereas this is like, ooh, let's cross multiply and then let's keep change flip. Like, nah, I don't do that game. That's a dance that I won't dance to. So that's how you do the problem, at least.